Today I'm starting a new weekly vlog. Of that song that says late in the midnight hour. But anyway, let's go to the gym. Hi guys, it's your girl Tayo. Welcome to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Welcome back if you are not new. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, share it with your friends, and also turn on the bell icon. That's the post notification so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Yeah, so I'm Tayo. I'm a Nigerian based in Dublin, Ireland. So yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I'm starting a new weekly vlog. Today is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, guys. So I'm off today. I worked last night, so I just got back home and had breakfast, had my shower. So right now I'm ready. I want to sleep, so that's why I have this hair bonnet on. So I just want to come on here quickly to start this vlog before I go to sleep. Yeah, because when I wake up I will eat lunch, then go to the gym, and also I don't want to come and start the vlog with a puffy face. So that's why I decided to start the vlog now. So yeah, I'm about to go to sleep, and I will come back in a few hours when I'm heading to the gym. Hi guys, so I'm up. I've been up for like over an hour. So but I've eaten, I'm dressed. There's the gym fit. This set from Pennies. So yeah, today I'm doing pump class and spin class at my main gym. Yeah, so that's fun. I'll try to get a clip. Hopefully it's not too crowded. Yeah, so let's go to the gym. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday. I'm working tonight, so but I have a doctor's appointment this morning. I like sent a mail to my GP to renew my prescription, and they were like, I have to come in. So that's how I'm going this morning. So from there I'll go to Aldi. I just need to grab a few stuff. Then I'll come back home. I need to meal prep. Yeah, the spaghetti that I wanted to cook last week, I'm going to cook it today. So I have something to take to work tonight, tomorrow night, and Friday night. So then I'll go to the gym. Then from gym to work. That's the plan for today. So yeah, it's gloomy. It's raining now, and yeah, I misplaced my umbrella. I think my umbrella fell in the bus. So I'll see if Aldi has a good strong umbrella. And that umbrella was new. So but anyway, it's gone. So I'll check Aldi also while I'm there if they have umbrella. So yeah, I'll be heading out soon. Hopefully the rain is not so much now. I'll just put on a jacket, wear on my hoodie, and be off. So that's the plan. Yeah, let's go to my GP. Hi, good morning. I have an appointment today.
What time's your appointment at?
9:15.
And your name is?
Temitayo Aulola.
4 o'clock. Sauce. There's a meal this morning at €65.
Okay. Yeah.
Want to pay by cash or card?
Card. Hi guys, so I'm back. Like I said, after my doctor's appointment, I went to Aldi. So yeah, I got some flowers. Got some popcorn. Oh yeah, and they have fall candles, which is sad. That means summer is going. So this was vanilla pumpkin, and then I saw this one sugared petals. It smells so good. I'm going to burn this one today. Then I got milk. I got this little one because I still have some. I got bananas for my smoothie. I got this kefir pouch. It's like a yogurt pouch, mango flavor. I want to try it as a. I got it. I got Greek yogurt for my protein, for my smoothie. I got pancakes. Oh, I'm smushed. Oh god, because I squeezed everything. I got this brochure to get to work. I'm still a little bit smushed though. Hopefully my egg is not broken. I got some egg. And it looks like none is broken. That's good. Yeah, none is broken. I got some. Yeah. Got fresh bread. Just smashed. Oh my god. Then I got biscuit. Maple syrup. Get again. My multivitamin gummies. This all-purpose seasoning and crushed chilies. Yeah. So that's everything I got. I'll put this up and I'll come back, guys. Hi guys, so right now I want to start cooking. I need to cook my pasta. Hopefully it doesn't take long. Yeah, so let's go. And also I'm watching this movie on Netflix, A Good Girl Guide to Mother. Yeah, I read the book series, so when I saw that there was a TV show coming out, so I was like, oh, let me check it out. So I'm almost done with it. So yeah, that's my current watch now. Hi guys, so I'm done cooking. I'm just waiting for a while, let the pasta cool down, then I'll dish it out in my meal prep containers for work. And also while I was cooking, I just did the tuna wrap so that we have something to eat for lunch this week and even today. So yeah, I just did this while the pasta was still on the fire. I don't think I showed me doing that, but yeah, I did that. So now I want to read my book. Like, this book is getting so interesting now. So but anyway, like, this book, like, the theme is like they prepare for you. Like, each book, this is what the third one I'm reading, the third one in this series, I think. Yeah, so basically, like, the whole story is like them preparing. The book starts with them preparing for a war. Then finally the war comes and the war is over. Then another book starts. So this one, they've been preparing for the war and now the war is here. So it's interesting. Yeah, I didn't know fantasy book were this good, but anyway. Also, oh yeah, there was one part. So anyway, like I said, they prepare for a war. So the main character, Fair, she developed new powers. So one of that power is flying. Like, she has wings. So but she doesn't know how to use it. So she was training with somebody else. Somebody was training her because it was like, it would be the best person to train her, because he learned how to fly when he was grown up. Although he was born with wings, like, for some reason he wasn't allowed to train until he was an adult. So he was like, it would be the best person to train her. I think that was Israel. So yeah, one person was teaching her how to fight, like combat with hand and knife. Then Israel was teaching her how to fly. So anyway, in one of those lessons, she kept bumping into trees. Then she was like, well, I'm sure I'm not good to you. You can't allow me join your army. Then he told her a story of one lady who had deformed wings. Like, her wings were small and one was even smaller than the other. So she was not a very good flyer. So she was not allowed into his army or something, or like they found another job for her to do. So but when there was war also at that time, she was able to save a friend with her little wings. She was able to lift her friend and fly her and her friend to safety. So it was like our greatest weakness can help us. Our greatest weakness can be like a strength when the time comes. Hold on, let me find the page. Okay, so I found the page. It said yeah, Israel is teaching her how to fly. So it was like, we, Raish, Cass and I will occasionally remind each other that what we think to be our greatest weakness can sometimes be our biggest strength, and that the most unlikely person can alter the course of history. So anyway, that just reminded me of the verse in, I think, 2nd Corinthians, when Paul, when he was in the prison, he was writing to the church and he was like, I will boast in my weakness, because Christ is like Christ's glory is shown in my weakness, something like that. That's what the verse says. So that reminded me of that verse, and that was so cool. So anyway, yeah, I don't know, the war is here and there's still much to go. That means I think it's probably a long war, or I don't know. I'm going to read my book now, have lunch in a few, and head to the gym. But I'll be back. Hi guys, so it's later now. I'm ready. I'm heading to the gym. I'm doing, I think, a strong class, then spin. So yeah, let's go. If it's not too crowded, I'll try and film. Yeah, but it's chilly today. It's cold. Yeah, but anyway, let's go. Hi guys, happy Friday. Today's Friday. I'm working tonight, so I'm getting ready. I'm about to head to the gym. I'm going to my backup gym, and like the lighting is usually not so good there, so I don't think I'll vlog there today. Plus, I think I have enough gym footage, or we'll see. I don't know. And also tomorrow I'll go for Pilates, so I'll try and get clips from there. So anyway, today's Friday, New Music Friday. Guys, remind me to give you my song recommendation tomorrow, because Forest Frank, he has done it again. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to check in. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, from the gym I'll be going to work. Guys, I already picked extra shifts, but tell me why when I woke up I found out that they gave me another extra shift for next week. I'm not mad at the money, but I gotta need to rest. Like, I was looking forward to my days off next week, but now they've given me an extra shift in the middle. I don't know what to do. They gave me in the middle, like I was supposed to be off Wednesday night, Thursday night, and Friday night. Then I woke up and they put a shift on Thursday. Like, it doesn't make sense. I won't have enough time to rest. So maybe today I'll talk to the manager and see if they can move it to Friday. Because Wednesday will be hard because I picked an extra shift on Sunday. So I'm working Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. If they put Wednesday to be 4 nights in a row. Thank you, no. So I'll see if they can put some Friday. But anyway, let's go to the gym. Hi guys, happy Saturday. It's Saturday morning. I just came from work. I'm at the gym. Here for Pilates class. I feel like a Pilates princess in this my pink onesie. Sorry, a pink Pilates princess. Yeah, so I need to take a picture. So anyway, yeah, yesterday's shift was kind of busy because one of my patients kept waking up like every half an hour, like from 3 a.m. she kept on waking up. So that was kind of annoying. But anyway, it was fine. She's a nice sweet lady. So but anyway, now I'm here for Pilates. The gym is like empty because I don't know if I've seen the gym this empty. I'll try and see if I can get some clips, but yeah, I'm here early. I have like 28 minutes before the gym class starts. So anyway, I'm ready. Let's head to Pilates. guys, yeah, it's later in the day, Saturday evening. I woke up like half an hour ago. So, but anyway, I have to give you guys my song recommendation for the week. Starting with The Rock, Forrest Frank and Crowder. They released the song The Rock. So Crowder broke his leg. So he like posted a picture, then he tagged Forrest Frank. So they made a song together. So let me play it. Song The Rock. This song has been on repeat since yesterday. Like it's so funny how Forrest Frank has become like the broken bones guy. So anyway, yeah, they wrote the song together. Then the next one, Josiah Quinn. His album is out, Mount Zion. Yeah, so I've listened to everything. I've not really listened to everything, but I think I already told you guys about Can't Steal My Joy. Let me play this. Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth, boy. Told you choke like that. The holes inside my head show you have all my love. I give a giving in the lies. I'm trading all my debts for life. I remember. Then I think like Cray released an album too. Yeah, called Reconstruction. I was listening to it this morning. I'm not done listening to it, but yeah, let me play Brick for Brick. We're going brick for brick, yeah. We're going brick for brick, okay. We're going brick for brick, yeah. We're going brick for brick. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up, stack it up, stack it up. We're going brick for brick. We're going brick for brick. We're going brick. We're going brick for brick. Order my nigga, just call me a jet ski, join my move. These heaters and sketch, I'm still so chicken. I hit them with 10 piece. Clean on my job, can't find this on Indy. Sign the Jesus, I move like an indie. Then what else? Where is the playlist? Release. Oh, then Steph Sluder and Lizzie Morgan, they released Not My Way. Too deep. Never really get too deep. Oh, I am here to give you my new surrender. You can lose when you surrender. Then Hello Worship, they released a single. Their album is coming out next month. They released I Remind Myself. So I think that's everything. Yes, that's everything for this week's song recommendation. So guys, about to go and eat. Yeah, so before I go and eat, I want to like hold on. So guys, I want to like share kind of like a testimony, if you say so. So anyway, this roster, I'm supposed to be on day shift. I was rostered for day shift, and I don't know, I just really wanted night shift. Night shift, it's less stressful, it's chill, and I can meet up with my gym classes. So that's why I like night classes. So I went on our group chat and texted, does anyone want a swap to take my day shift and give me night shift? So somebody offered. I was like, cool, thank you God, cool, that's fine. So then we agreed, okay, because we were off, so we agreed when next we were back in work, we were going to fill the form and do the swap and everything. So that morning I was like, hi, please don't forget, collect the form. When I come to work, I will fill my part and we'll do it. Then the girl replied that, oh, sorry, she gave someone else, because we were unable to like swap everything completely because our shifts were like kind of overlapping. I picked an extra shift and the girl had a shift that same day, so the shift was overlapping. So I was like, I was going to pick from my next night, so she would have to do one night. So she was like, oh no, she found someone else that would take everything. So I was disappointed. I was I almost wanted to cry. So but then I asked again on the group chat, does anyone want? Then I think the other person I saw, a shift to the way a shift was rostered, I would have done, was it 5 nights in a row, and it was still overlapping with the extra shift I picked. So I was like, no, okay, you do 1 week, I'll take the other week, that's next week. So I was still looking. So then I found someone like I'd almost given up. So then I found someone that was willing to swap with me. So she swapped this week for me. So the past 3 days I was working on another floor because the lady was on another floor, so I took a shift on another floor. The next week I'm taking the other lady's night shift on another floor also. So, and it just reminds me of that song that says late in the midnight hour, God's gonna turn it around. So anyway, and that's happens to me time and time again, like when I've like almost given up hope, yeah, God comes through for me. So I'm just so happy, grateful, and yeah, I wanted to share that. So anyway, let me go make my noodles and eat. Probably talk to you guys tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be going to church, and also I'm planning and I'm using this word planning loosely because who knows what may happen. Planning to go to the beach tomorrow because summer is coming to an end, and like I want to go to the beach. Like since I've been in Ireland, I've not been to the beach. I know that's crazy. So I really want to go. So hopefully it works out and I go to the beach tomorrow. Yeah, so talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. I'm dressed. I'm heading to church now. So yeah, if the weather is good, everything is good, I'll be heading to the beach from church with my friends. So I packed my my beach stuff, and my work bag is kind of ready because I have to come back home before I go to work later this evening. So anyway, in a few minutes I'm about to head to church. So guys, I'm done with church. I'm leaving, heading for the beach. I'm waiting for my bus right now. Yeah.
The one who's not in swimsuit everywhere, but
I'm not in swimsuit either.
the last time, oh, it looks like it's your,
The romper.
it looks nice. It looks like
Thank you. Hi guys, so I'm back home. The beach was fun. It was nice hanging out with my friends, but the beach, I was expecting it to be like sandy. I didn't really look at the pictures, so but it was rocky. But anyway, it was still fun. I had a good time. So I'm back home. I have like an hour before I need to leave for work, so that's good. So good to relax and yeah, then go to work. So but I'm ending this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, share it with your friends, and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. To my next video. Bye guys.